Here's the truth that almost no man over 50 ever hears from his doctor until it's too late. Passion doesn't retire. Your best years in the bedroom can actually start now. And the biggest block isn't your age. It's the shame and myths you've been carrying around her natural wetness. That wetness you've been taught to think is dirty or gross is actually nature's masterpiece. It comes from three perfect sources: Bartholin's glands for silky glide, Skeen's glands, the female prostate, for extra arousal fluid, and cervical mucus that keeps everything clean, balanced, and protected. It's 99% water, proteins, and good bacteria designed to make sex feel incredible for both of you. When you pull away or make a face, you're not rejecting a little fluid. You're rejecting her. And she feels it every single time. Taste and smell, they change. Pineapple and water make it lighter and sweeter. Garlic, coffee, and alcohol make it sharper. Ovulation equals almost neutral. Period week equals slightly metallic. Menopause equals sometimes more acidic or less volume. Every woman has her own signature. Exactly like you don't smell the same after the gym. Sudden strong fishy odor with itching is usually just a simple infection that clears in days. The rest is completely normal and nothing to judge. Safety? For tested, monogamous couples, it's safer than deep kissing. Yes, STIs can transmit orally, but twice a year testing together turns worry into trust and keeps the fire burning. The silent killer of long-term relationships isn't ED, it's silence. One gentle, curious conversation about taste, smell, or too much wetness can bring back the passion you thought was gone forever. And here's the real aphrodisiac no pill can match. When you fully accept and celebrate every drop of her, you tell her without words, I want all of you, exactly as you are. That acceptance makes her relax, get wetter, feels sexier, and the pleasure explodes for both of you. Your simple 3-step plan starting tonight. Suggest getting tested together. Call it a health date, not suspicion that if something seems off, invite her for a playful shower together or gently encourage a quick doctor visit. Always as a team, celebrate her body out loud. One honest God, you taste incredible, can restart a 30-year marriage. Drop the shame, choose acceptance, and watch your 50s, 60s, and 70s become the hottest, most connected chapter of your life. Real confidence doesn't come from a blue pill. It comes from courage, truth, and loving her completely. Fluids and all.